Hi, this is Paul Carlson, CPA with AE Velocity. In this video, we're going to walk through logging into Ajera and understanding the browsers that are supported by the software. So, Ajera is a browser-based application. So to log in, you will need a URL from your system's admin. And when you go to that URL, you'll see a page that looks like this. The first setting we need to confirm is the database we're going to log into. So from this field, typically you'll be picking your company name. That just, if you have a complex company, make sure you're logging into the correct database. Do note that an Ajera database can have multiple companies within the database, so it's pretty rare that companies are running multiple databases. Next is to enter your username and password. We are going to log into some sample data. And from here, we have logged into Ajera. We're in the Elements Engineering sample system. And from here, we have a dashboard. See any timesheets. And we can, from this page, we can see the timesheets we've actually entered. So let's take a look at entering a new timesheet. So from here, we go Manage, Time and Expense, and we get this weird message. What this is saying is this is Ajera's way of saying that we can only run Ajera on browsers that support Microsoft Network 4.5.2, which is code for we can only run Ajera from Internet Explorer, the new browser Edge, and maybe Firefox. So let's pop over and take a look at a couple other resources. So this is the Ajera hardware and software requirements document. We look under supported browsers. Ajera says we can only use IE 10 or later, or Microsoft Edge. And what we saw is full Ajera functionality is not supported in other browsers. So the browser we were looking at a minute ago was actually in Safari, and that the dashboards were working, but we can't enter time and you can't enter the project command center. So typically everyone needs to be running Internet Explorer or Edge to make Ajera work. There is one more document I can point to. You can find resources on the internet to talk about how to use Ajera with Firefox. That for a while, Firefox would support the .NET add-in. And once you install this, then you can actually get Ajera to work. I'm not sure if this is still working or if this is supported. Folks who are running Firefox usually know how to do this on their own. And from there, that is how to log into Ajera. And we've explained the importance of needing to use a correct browser. If you're using a Mac, your options are to boot camp and install Windows as a standalone operating system, or you can install Windows as a virtual operating system using something like Parallels or Fusion. Or if you want to make it really complicated, some firms will have Mac users log into a terminal server that has Internet Explorer installed on the terminal server, and then from that terminal server, they will log in and use Ajera. From the links below, you can find other videos we're making about introduction to using Ajera. And if you need any help with your engineering architecture firm accounting, please give us a shout at aevelocity.com. Thanks.